Struggling to access your Xbox? Don't worry! Resetting your password is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, grab your smartphone or computer. Open your web browser and go to the Xbox website. Select the sign in option and then click on Forgot Password. This will guide you to the reset process. You'll be asked to enter your email. Make sure it's the one linked to your Xbox account. Check your inbox for a verification code. Enter it on the website to confirm your identity. Finally, create a new password. Try to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once your new password is set, log in and enjoy your games effortlessly. If you encounter issues, revisit the reset link or contact Xbox support for help. Remember to keep your password secure and update it regularly to avoid future issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. We hope this guide helped you regain access to your Xbox account. Game on! See you in the gaming world. Until next time.